If you've noticed any signs of a broken air conditioner, don't hesitate to contact the team at D&M Service Company Incorporated. Air conditioning is a necessity in Kentucky, especially during the hot and humid summer months. The new emergency air conditioner repair and replacement services at D&M Service Company Incorporated aim to help clients improve their indoor air quality. Indoor air quality equipment, including air conditioner equipment, can restore humidity levels, remove stale air and kill bacteria. The experts at D&M Service Company make any air conditioner repair seem less stressful. D&M Service Company Incorporated specializes in providing heating and air conditioning service, repair, maintenance, installation and replacement. Go to LouisvilleVotston.com.